Welcome to our new versatile installation digital amplifiers, VIDA series. Let's have a general view and cover the highlights of these devices that will fit in almost all of your installations. VIDA has 4 analog inputs, 4 amplified outputs, 2 auxiliary outputs at line level, and 4 Dante transmitters and receivers. The software is embedded in the device, so you just have to open your regular browser and connect to the device in the same LAN. If you don't have a device, don't worry. We have a demo in vida.ecler.com. We had discussions about what to highlight as there are many useful features. But these are the ones that we will cover in the next 4 minutes. In regular amplifiers, you have symmetric distribution of its power. In the example, we have a 4-channel amplifier with 600 watts per channel. This is a total of 2400 watts amplifier. In VIDA, we have VersaPower. VersaPower allows the asymmetric distribution of the amplifier's power. In the example, we have 1200 watts in the second channel, and the rest of the power is distributed in other channels. But as you can see, the power will be delivered on demand. Smart VersaPower is the tool that helps you to easily assign the desired maximum power to each output channel, so you can be sure this value will not be exceeded. Let's talk about energy. VIDA amplifiers have a very efficient design with an optimized Class D amplifier and a power supply with power factor correction. Consuming less energy when it's not needed is as well important, so auto standby feature per channel can be adjusted to suitable values. When the 4 channels are in standby mode, the amplifier can get into sleep mode to have minimum consumption. Yes, it's true. You have an SD player in your all-in-one VIDA amplifier. You can make the basic functions you may imagine, but also from your browser you will be able to add or delete files and create playlists. A very powerful tool of VIDA are events. Events can be triggered from frontal knobs, GPIs, external mute, detected faults, presets, and calendar. Those will be able to control volume, mutes, player, and GPOs. Note that the calendar function is more flexible than ever, allowing repetitions per day, week, month, and year. Are you tired of complicated panel editors to let the user control just a volume? With VIDA, you can make a control panel for a user in 20 seconds. You can make it accessible to anyone or concrete users. A control can apply to one signal or to a group of them, even to several devices in the same network. As you can see, the users can have access to different adjustments, even presets or the player. They can reach the panels from a browser or from the VIDA application. VIDA is the first product that belongs to Ecler Cloud. Ecler Cloud is very useful for maintenance and support without traveling to site. You can monitor your devices, even control them as if you were connected to the same local area network. Imagine how it will improve your service on one side and how you will save time and money on the other. Any network with internet will allow VIDA to connect to Ecler Cloud as it uses conventional internet ports, so no special configuration is needed.